It's the big game day. You signed up to host the party, and I think you should give the people what they want. Chicken wings. They're salty, they're spicy, they're affordable, and they're delicious. Let's make them. Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. Welcome to Struggle Meals. Wings. Everyone expects them on game day, and I expect you to make them because they're easy and they're affordable. And we can make them crispy and delicious without a fryer because frying is smelly and oil is expensive. You got a sheet tray? We got wings. Moving the wings around. You don't want a giant tackle pile, if you will. Salt from high above. Pepper. And here we have a little bit of baking powder. This is gonna make them extra crispy by drawing moisture out of the skin. But Frankie, why don't I just use flour? Well, baking powder breaks down the peptide bonds, allowing the skin to get even crispier and a dark brown. What are peptide bonds? I don't know, but it sounds like it'd be a great laundry detergent. This is how we're emulating frying right here. Baking powder, not baking soda. They're different. We're gonna mix them up, moving them around, getting the pieces around here, making sure that there's no encroachment anywhere. Okay, very nice. A little more salt, a little bit of pepenero, and some more peptide bond breaking baking powder. That's all we're doing right now. I got a 400-degree oven here. These are going in for 45 minutes naked so they can get crispy. Then we'll dress them with sauce. Now it's time for sauces, and I'm gonna make the creamy, white, and delicious sauce that cuts the heat that we all know and love. Some people call it ranch, but I don't have a ranch, I have an apartment. So apartment dressing it is. Some freshness. How about some parsley? What is cooking? Is it emptying bottles and putting them into bowls? Or is it chopping herbs and creating lovely things for your friends and family? I've got some chive here. I took it from the herb garden. Anything you've got fresh, go for it. Dill. All right, going with some Greek yogurt. Gives us that creaminess. This is instead of mayo and sour cream in your standard ranch dressing. Okay, garlic. We got a little garlic. It's almost like we're punting on 4th down. With flavor. All right, a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of salt. Should I put pepper? A little bit of vinegar. 1, 2. Vinegar gives the zing. It's what makes it a balanced flavor profile. The viscosity is pretty intense right now. This is not a dip. This is dense. So how do we thin it out? Milk. About a 1/4 cup. All right. Let's see where we're at. Finger. Dilly, wonderful. More salt, more vinegar. Little bit of vinegar, salt. Attempt number 2. First down. That means it's good. All right, the flavors are balanced, it's wonderful, but they are going to meld and become one. They're gonna huddle up, if you will, so I'm gonna put them in the fridge so they can do that. The guests are arriving soon, and we need a hot sauce. Because what's a chicken wing without a hot sauce? Nothing, I tell you. And there's a couple reasons why this is great. 1, we get to buy Worcestershire sauce, which can be used in a plethora of dishes throughout the year. And we didn't buy a wing sauce that's going to sit in the fridge until next year's big game for the rest of the year. So this is the advantage of making it. We're gonna start with some butter. Now, hot sauce going in with the butter. Be careful, it might splatter. And remember, this is wing sauce. It's supposed to be spicy. If you're looking for a brand of hot sauce, the one that tastes the most like wing sauce, it's the brand that has my name in front of it. No affiliation, I don't own it, but it does have my name on it. Worcestershire sauce. A little bit of vinegar, because you need that zing. I'm just gonna put a drop of salt, because why not? Ooh, that looks nice. Do you see that? Our wing sauce is temperature hot. Our chicken wings are temperature hot. They need to come together now, in this fleeting moment. Timing is of the essence. Like the wide receiver cutting into the center of the field, lining up with the quarterback. It has to happen quickly, efficiently, and precisely. Ooh, I am ready to eat. These are crispy, these are brown, and we didn't even fry them. All right, we've got wings. They're hot, temperature-wise. They're gonna be hot, spicy-wise, soon. Listen, here's the deal. You want a big bowl here so that you can toss the wings with the sauce. That's what makes this bowl so super. I'm pouring the hot sauce around the outside here. Little circular motion, a little, ooh. You see the steam and heat happening? Boom, The sauce is adhering to the peptide broken skins of the chicken. We have a completed pass, ladies and gentlemen. It's game day. We don't need any fancy serving platters. We can just clean our sheet tray and unload right onto it. Everyone's gonna be into this, man. We got a little bowl here for our homemade ranch dressing, which is all huddled up and ready to execute the play. Boom, shakalaka. We got celery and we got carrots because they're the ultimate palate cleansers. I'm gonna go with this guy right here. There it is. One dips. Here we go. Salty, creamy, spicy, crispy, homey. Oh. There it is, hot chicken wings that your friends are gonna love with a homemade ranch sauce. This thing is classic and it is more delicious than anything you can buy frozen or from whatever delivery service. I say it is a completed pass. Beer is the obvious choice on game day, but serving a batch beer cocktail, it adds a little twist and it stretches the beer even farther. Making batch cocktails saves time, and no one has to play bartender all day. You can actually enjoy yourself. There are a lot of beer cocktails that you can make. Today I'm making micheladas. It's like Bloody Mary's cousin with beer instead of vodka. I'll supply all the cocktail ingredients, and my friends, they'll bring the beer. Micheladas are simple. It's a 50-50 ratio of beer to clamato juice, and then you can top it with Worcestershire, some spice and lime to your taste. What you'll end up with is a briny, umami, sour, and spicy beer cocktail that'll keep you going throughout the whole game. Ask your friends to bring the ice. They're probably not gonna be thrilled about it, but I think they're obligated. You're giving them food and drink after all. To serve, use any glassware you have on hand, even if it's mismatched. In fact, mismatched glassware is ideal because then people remember which glass is theirs. Finally, make sure your guests are smart about the way they get home. They should use a ride share or public transport, or they can carpool with a designated driver. Enjoy playing host and have fun out there.